So good day, everyone. Today I'll be discussing the naive Gaussian elimination. So, by the way, I am Gistoni Divino, REE. So I am taking Master of Engineering major in Power System. So let's start. So by definition, Gaussian elimination is one of the most fundamental techniques in numerical methods. So the naive version is the straightforward. We eliminate variables step by step until the matrix becomes triangular, then solved by back substitution. So the term naive means the method is applied without pivoting. No row swaps are performed to avoid division by zero or reduce numerical errors. So itong Gaussian elimination na ito yung pinaka-basic na techniques in numerical methods. So ito yung masasabi nating madali kaysa dun sa ibang techniques na ginagamit natin. So, next slide tayo. So mamaya, may ibibigay akong example, makikita natin doon, mas maintindihan natin itong technique na to. So, by process, forward elimination, let's say we have a matrix A. So, first, we transform the matrix A into an upper triangular form. So, all zeros below the diagonal. So, for each pivot row K, divide the pivot row by the pivot element A subscript KK. So, next, subtract multiples of this row from the rows below to eliminate the entries in column K. Next naman, after this step, the system looks like UX equals C. So where U is upper triangular. So medyo mahirap siyang intindihin ng konti, but mamaya pag may example na, mas madali nating makuha. So next tayo. So for the next naman, back substitution, after mo makuha yung upper triangular form niya, we have the equation na isang unknown na lang. So with that, ito, we start from the last equation which has only one unknown. So solve for that unknown, then substitute upward into the previous equation. So continue until all unknowns are solved. So yun nga, since upper triangular na siya, yung pinakamababa dun, isang unknown na lang siya with value. So i-equate mo lang siya, makukuha mo yung value ng unknown. And then, after that, i-substitute mo lang yung value ng unknown dun sa upper row niya, which is two unknowns, tapos yung isa na known, one unknown na lang kasi yung isa nakuha mo na. So hanggang pabalik ka, kaya tinatawag siyang back substitution. So, next slide tayo. So we have this example. So solve the system of equations using naive Gaussian elimination. So we have this, the equation 3 unknown. So 2x plus y minus z equals 8. And then negative 3x minus y plus 2z equals negative 11. The third equation, so negative 2x plus y plus 2z equals negative 3. So step 1, we set up the augmented matrix. So we have this matrix 2, 1, negative 1, 8, negative 3, negative 1, 2, negative 11, negative 2, 1, 2, negative 3. And then next, for step 2, forward elimination. So gagawin na natin yung forward elimination. So ang goal natin dito, we come up the upper triangular which has zeros below the diagonal. So for pivot 1, which is the 1. So ito yung number 2. So ito yung number 2. And then so after mong mapili nitong pivot 1, row 1, column 1, itong nasa baba niya, itong row 2, column 1, at saka row 3, column 1, dapat ma-zero out yan. So, ang gagawin natin, for row 2 muna tayo. We need to come up an equation that, yung binabanggit kanina ng forward elimination, that correlates on the row 1. So, for row 2, we have this negative 3. So, dapat ma-zero to. So, negative 3. Tapos plus, we need to come up the positive 3 para pag i-total mo siya, 0. So, we have this 3 over 2 R1. So, negative 3 plus 3 over 2 times 2. So, makakancel yung 2. Cancel yung 2, maiwan. Positive 3. So, negative 3 plus 3 equals 0. And then, you'll do that the same on row 2. Sa lahat ng row 2, no? After nan, makakamap ka ng 0, 0.5, 0.5, 1. And then for the next naman, itong row 3. So we have this value, negative 2. Tapos yung nasa row 1, column 1, is 2. So, para since i-correlate mo lang yan, since negative 2 na to, kung i-add mo lang yan rekta, 0 na agad. So, yun na yung magiging equation mo for row 3. So, we have this, negative 2 plus 2, 0 na siya. So, and then, after that, you apply this to all values on the row 3. So, after that, we come up with 0, 2, 1, 5. Okay. Next step tayo. And for the next naman, itong pivot 2 natin, itong row 2, column 2, para ma-zero itong nasa baba niya. So, after ma-zero to, we can come up na yung upper triangular. So, with that, formulate tayo ng equation. We have this R3, column 2, value of 2. So, kung gagawin natin para wala to, we have this 1 sa row, sa row 2, 0.5. So, ano lang, row 3 minus 4R2, which is pag i-multiply mo yung 4 times R2, which is 0.5, it is 2. So 2 minus 2 equals 0. So, yan. And then, i-apply mo sa sa lahat ng value ng row 3. So, yun po, we can come up 0, 0, negative 1, 1. So, now, the matrix is upper triangular. Next slide tayo. For this next step, we have box substitution. Since we come up na ng upper triangular form is 2, 1, negative 1, 8, 0, 0.5, 0.5, 1, 0, 0, negative 1, 1. And then, 0 na yung under ng diagonal. And then, we'll get the first unknown. So, ito yung value ng z, which is negative z equals 1. So, ano mo lang siya, kunin mo lang yung value ng z, which is z equals negative 1. And then, may value ka na ng isang unknown mo, i-substitute mo lang sa upper row niya. which is we can come up with this equation 0.5 plus 0.5 z equals 1. So, substitute mo lang yung value ng z. Ayan. And then, we can come up with the y equals. So, next naman, we have two known number na. Substitute ulit natin dun sa taas. So, we have this equation, 2x plus y minus z equals 8. So, substitute mo lang value ng z tsaka y. So, we can come up with this value of x equals 2. So, next slide. For final, we have this x equals 2, y equals 3, z equals negative 1. So, if you arrange this to a big box vector, we have x, y, z, 2, 3, negative 1. So, next slide. So, for checking naman, we can input this on Octave code. So, we have this for matrix A, and then set up the right side, which is B. And then we have this formula for getting the naive Gaussian elimination. And then, ito yung lalabas na result, which is same dito sa manual calculation natin. So, yun. So, for limitations naman ng naive approach, so if pivot equals 0, so yung pinaka-pivot point natin, 0, division by 0, error. So, pag 0 yung ano niya, mag-stop agad yung elimination process niya. So, next is if pivot is very small, round of error. So, yun, pag sobrang liit nung pivot natin, yung magiging data natin, sa katagalan, sa katagalan ng process, the error will cascade, no? And then, it will come up na medyo malaki yung differential niya sa actual na magiging value niya. Final value niya, no? So, to fix this, so we'll need to do this partial pivoting. So, swap lang natin yung row na may hindi zero na value. So, i-swap natin and then you do the elimination. So, for this, para mas maintindihan natin, we have an example. So, yun. So, limitation is 0 pivot. So, we have this example. 0x plus y plus z equals 3. And then, x plus y plus z equals 6. And then, x plus 2y plus 3z equals 14. So, we set up the augmented matrix 0, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, 6, 1, 2, 3, 14. So, next, since 0 to, itong pivot natin, itong pivot point natin, 0, para since hindi pwede siyang mag-proceed pag 0 to, iswap lang natin itong row 1 tsaka row 2. So with this, we can come up with this augmented matrix, no? And then, after maswap, hindi na 0 yung pivot point natin. So, next, we'll do the forward elimination. So, since 0 na yung row 2, ibaba nung row 1, column 1, 0 na yung sa row 2 value niya, diretso na tayo dito sa row 3. Which is which is 1. So 1, i-correlate mo dito sa row 1. So you can come up the 0. So 1, minus mo lang, minus 1, 0. So you'll do that the rest among the rest of the row 3. Next naman, for row 2, column 2. So you have this 1. So we need to eliminate this. We should come up 0 value for this. So we get this equation. So 1 lang siya. 1 lang din nga sa taas. E di i-subtract lang natin agad-agad. So R3 minus R2. So after that, ma-0 na siya, and then you'll do that for the rest of the row 3. So next. So after nun, may ano ka na, may upper triangle ka na. So makukuha mo na. Gamitin mo na yung back substitution. So, may value ka na nung z. So z, kuha mo na. So z equals 5. And then substitute mo itong z to the upper row. So and then y plus z equals 3. So substitute mo yung 5. So y equals negative 2. And then you have this z and y values. You can substitute this sa upper row naman ulit. So we have this x plus y plus z equals 6. So by substituting, we will come up with x equals 3. So we have this final solution, x equals 3, y equals negative 2, and z equals 5. So application ito, for 2 or 3 unknowns, it's straightforward to visualize and compute by hand. So madali lang siya. Madali lang siyang kunin yung values. So for larger systems, 4, 5, and unknowns, the same elimination steps apply by systematically zeroing out entries below the pivot in each column until the matrix in upper triangular form can come up the upper triangular form, then performing back substitution. So ang sinasabi nito, for larger unknowns, medyo marami na siya. Ganun pa rin ang gagamitin mo, forward elimination. Ang problema nga lang, let's say we have these 10 unknowns. So kung to solve manually, you have to forward elimination. So ang dami nun, pa isa-isa. So column 1, tapos column 2, column 3, ganun. Medyo mahaba siya in solving manually. So next naman, for computational complexity, the algorithm requires 2/3 n cube operations. So it becomes computationally heavy for very large n. That's why for big systems, optimized methods like LU decomposition or iterative solvers are often preferred. So yun ang ano nito, limitation nito, no, pag sobrang laki na nung value niya or mga unknowns, hindi na niya kaya. So mas madali siya pag ang gagamit mo yung ibang techniques na, which is like LU decomposition or iterative solvers. So yun po. So for application niya sa in real world, so we have this, magagamit siya in power systems, load flow equations, and then magagamit din siya in structural analysis, forces in process. So we have this circuit analysis, Kirchhoff's laws, and then any engineering system requiring simultaneous equations. So, yun po ang aking report for naive Gaussian elimination. Salamat po sa pakikinig at sana ay may natutunan kayo. Thank you.